In this video, we are decorating for the week of May 4th in the Teresa Collins Happy Planner. Let's get started. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch weekly planning videos and click the link in the description box to get your free planning checklist. First step is to choose a theme, and this week's theme is the glitter paint sticker book, and specifically the color scheme that I want to use is this collection right here of pink, purple, and like orange and peach, orangish peach. That combo, because peach is already on the page, and I love pink and purple. So that will be our color theme. We'll pull the stickers that match that from this book to go in this theme. And since it's the month of May, we're using a new planner, Franken planner I had set up. It has purple discs, so I think that will look really good too. So first, I pulled out all the little skinny purple washi to see which one will look the best. Let's see if there's any that matches the discs. I don't know if there is. Let's see. So the dark purple, like this, all of the dark purples look like close to the disc color. I like that glittery one. Maybe because it's glitter paint this week, we got to go with the purple glitter. Okay, sold. Purple glitter washi wins. And that's silver. Let's see, this sticker has silver. Some of them have gold, but we're going to go with this one. All right, so let's start out with some washi on the page. I think I'm going to leave the peach lines, so definitely I'll put some purple washi at the bottom down here, and then underneath that notes, and I'm not sure that I'll put it anywhere else. Next up is box stickers, so let's flip through and grab the box stickers that have this color theme in it, with or without silver, but not with a different color metallic. I've been decorating the center lately, and I really like that. I don't know if I'll do it again today or we're going to alternate. I don't know yet, but I really like this sticker, so definitely this one. What does it say? Let's read it. Everything is a choice. Can you see that? There you go. Okay. So let's just flip through and look for some more boxes that are pink, purple, and that orangish peach. This one is pink and purple and has like a yellowish gold. I think I'll skip this one. Oh, that one has red in it. Keep going. Pink, purple, peach. This one has pink and orangish peach, but I want like bigger boxes. This one has pink, purple, and peach in a diamond shape. I like that. That's different. I don't know where it would go. Let's look for our square boxes first. Pink, purple, peach. This one's pink and purple. That has gold though. This one has pink, purple, peach, and that little kind of gold color. Let's keep going. I want to see if there's any more like that. Those fit the monthly. Sparkles. Those are gold though. Ooh, I like these too. Red, pink. Right, this one right here will match. That's not a box, but we'll save that for later. Ooh, these match. These match. Those are cute. Okay, here's some boxes. These two boxes and these bullet points match, so we can use those. Those will be our bullet points for today. And those two boxes, so where would those go? And these match. When we can write in those, and here's some circles and some hearts. And we already have our boxes you can write in. So maybe that's the only one. All right, that looks like the only one in that color theme. that's a box. But these match, so let's put one of these on each page. Maybe in that center area. Or what else? Are we going to decorate maybe the center with that? Oh yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we'll put the boxes not in, maybe we'll put them up here. Okay, I have an idea. I want to do, this is going to look a little bit different on purpose. I have some plans here. And here. Plans to put there. Okay, so let me see what else for boxes. Right, I want a couple more of these layering boxes. Well, the boxes I like to layer with. Let's put one here. Let's put one up here. And then let's put this one down here. Next up is checklists and bullet points. And I'm going to put bullet points up here. I do have a method to my map. Oh, let's put bullet points in. I love doing that when they're in the middle. So, but should we do that on both days? Oh, I kind of like that. All right, so we'll put like 3 bullet points on both days. We'll grab a couple of purples and a couple of orange. Try to space them out evenly. It's not going to be perfect. I mean, unless you measure, but I guess you could measure. Just eyeball it. It will be good enough. And I know if you're a perfectionist, it's so hard to just let it go and let it be, just eyeball it. But seriously, it is not the end of the world. Having it perfect is not the point. There. 3 bullet points that we can share between all 3 days in our colors. I decided I want one more set of bullet points to go down here on the weekend on Saturday and Sunday right there. So let me grab 3 more. Let's grab a purple. Let's do the same kind of thing. A purple, an orange, and a pinkish one. Purple, orange, pink. There. No checklists this week in the sticker book, and I'm fine with that. You can use checklists and bullet points or bullet points, but that means we get to move right on to decorative stickers. This is the fun part of the sticker book. It has these like paint clear stickers. These are cool. So I want to use those across this middle. We're going to glitter and paint this middle section with stickers, starting with this one. Right, I think I'm going to use this one as my opposite end. It has pink and a little bit of orange on it. Let's put that one here. So cool. All right, you guys know, if you may know how much I love large quote stickers, and there are some really pretty quotes in here. We could use "great things take time" to go across. We can use the "shine bright" and just trim out the letters, S-H-I-N-E. That would be cool. S-H-I-N-E, bright. We could do, I think I'm going to do that. So we could use this one and make it work, or that one will already fit across. The brave has a little red in there. I don't want to use that one. We could use some of these, one on each day or a couple of them. Those have gold, so I don't want to use those. Are there more? Yes, this page. There are pink and purple. Don't be afraid to dream. You rock. That one's red. Oh, this one, wild at heart, cannot be tamed. A wild heart cannot be tamed. Okay, I think I'm stuck on this Shine Bright one. I really like that one. So let me trim the stickers, trim out each letter, and we're gonna put one on each day and go all the way across this middle part. All right, I'm gonna keep this glitter, or there's like little stars. I'm gonna keep that with the S. So that will go here. Something like that. And one more sticker, bright. Shine bright. Okay, we need a little bit more sparkle glitter in between the letters. And we have some. So let's get it, if we can get it off the page. Come on. Gotcha. So I want to put a little bit here next to the eye. Ooh, maybe I can cut it the long way. And then maybe I don't have to. Maybe the whole thing can go there. Well, I like how this is just a little bit. So maybe we want, no, maybe I want the whole thing. And then a little bit on this side. This one needs a whole thing. It's getting the whole strip of stars. There. I like that. Then there's not such a big gap here in between. I would have liked the whole word on one side, but then it's too squished. Yeah. All right, so let's put some sparkles here because we have a little bit here and a little bit there, but nothing. We need some right there. So let's find a little bit of sparkle to put there. Here's one little patch of purple sparkles. We could use that. These have blue. Yeah, I guess we'll use that. It's the right size and it's purple. All right, so should it go this way, that way? Maybe like this? Grab my tweezers. How about a little angle? That looks good, right? Yes, love it. Okay, I was trying to find a good spot to put these. I love these. They match our theme. They're cute. They have silver foil, but I couldn't really figure out where to put them in the week. So I think they're going in this left column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's different. I don't know if I like it. I like the colors. It's different. All right, I want to add a little bit more just because I like these. And they're silver and they're little stars. So I want to grab these 2 quotes to put at the bottom, one on each side, along with our little purple washi with the little sparkles. I just like that. I think it'll look good. Let's put this one in the middle here. And then this one in the middle over here. And then I want to put the stars kind of in between this stuff. Let's see. I might put the actual, like, the individual stars in there. Maybe this, because I was thinking of putting these stars, because this corner I think needs a little something. I'm going to put a few little stars here. And then let's put some stars over here. I like these individual stars. I think they can go like this. I hope this turns out good. You never know. It's always an experiment every week. I mean, unless you're copying something you've done before, but I usually do something mostly different every week. I don't really do the exact same thing every time. I'm going to add in some tiny stars too, but I'm going to cut them in tall strips so they can go like here. Okay, I kind of like that now. All right, so we have some stars up here. I still think it needs something. All right, I just want to add one more sticker because I like stickers. I really just like this one. It says, "You got this." I'm gonna put it right here in the middle. All right, I think that's it. Ooh, do we need more stars right here? Maybe one more stars? I'll grab one. Oh, there's only one left. Well, let's use it then. It can go in this corner. Okay, I think we're all set. Let's put it on the discs and see how it looks with the purple discs. What do you think about the glitter paint sticker book? Leave a comment down below, hit that thumbs up button, make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!